I'm RJ, and welcome back to the final week of the Made by Mitchell Advent Calendar. Day 20 is a rectangle. I have no guesses because I've been bad at the rectangle ones. They've been curve cases. Let's see if this is also a curve case. Oh, that opened nicely. Blurring Duo. I think that's what that said. Blursh Duo. Are we finally getting some dirt blursh? Yes! Oh, let me get this open. Okay, we're still in slightly boring colour territory, but I will let him off because both of these are really pretty. So over on the left here, this is clearly a highlighter, and this is an actual blush. And yeah, cool. These are good, and these are the swatches. Bam! Look how pretty that highlighter is. The blush is yet another slightly peachy coral colour, which seems to be Mitchell's colour of the season. But okay. But look at that highlighter. That's put on quite thick. I might wear it that thick. It is me. But yeah, I would probably obviously shear both of these out to wear them. But yeah, these are pretty. Good start to the final week. Day 21. Let's see what coral or brown thing we've got today. It might not. It might be bright purple. Okay, so I would have said this was a blush, except we got two blushes yesterday. So let's whip her open and see. I'm gonna guess something lip related. Ooh. Hang on. Chilly Lips. I was right about it being lip. It's in Velvet Berry. What is it? Frosted Chrome Lipstick. This sounds exciting. Are we having a colourful week, Mitchell? Are we? Hang on, let me get this open. Okay, I have not looked. It's in a Matitude tube again. We know it's going to be a purpley pink because it says berry. Let's see. Guys, that looks brown. Hang on, let me see if I can get it to focus. It's not focusing. I mean, it's shiny. It is shiny. The shiny is cute. I'm excited for the shine. Let me swatch. This is what I'm talking about. Why was the entire calendar not this? This is gorgeous. This is so cool. It's multichrome. It's a brownie berry red. And it's gorgeous, and I cannot wait to put it on my face. Mitchell. More of this, please. Please, let's make this week a beautiful, bright, colourful, glittery extravaganza of a week. I am so excited. Yay! Day 22. So we get to actually see what's in this box, not what was accidentally in this box instead of day 19. We're going to behead little Mitchell Skater Boy here. Here we go. This is a Comet case. Ooh. Is this going to be like the curve case, but highlighters maybe? Let's see. This is a cream highlighter palette. Yes. Cool. Let's get this open. So this is the same as the curve case that we got last week, maybe now. It's got the colours on the back. Pink Monday, Pink Lynx, Champagne. Again, I have no idea what he uses to do his naming conventions, but I'm sure they make sense to Mitchell. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, wow. Okay, so this one is really, really pink. But look, you can see the highlight, the glitter in there. Ooh, pretty. Yep, let's do some swatches. Okay, so it's very similar to the highlighter that we got a single one of back on day 3, I want to say. In that they are more just slightly tinted carriers for sparkle. But look, they are beautiful. I'm really rather excited about this one. Look at that purpley blue sparkle. That's like a duochrome almost. And then the 2 bottom ones are your more standard silvery goldish glitter, a bit more subtle. And obviously you'd blend them out a bit more than I have done for the swatches. But yeah, oh, this is wonderful. We're getting a final week that was what I really wish the entire calendar had been. Oh, if it carries on like this, I'm going to be so happy. I will see you tomorrow. It's day 23. I mean, this is a big long one. This has got to be setting spray, hasn't it? It's got to be setting spray. Okay, let's see. Ooh, no, it's all that empty box. Like, oh, tricking us, darling, tricking us. Okay, it says blur on it. Oh, it's a brush. Oh, okay, give me a second. Ooh, brown. How Christmassy. It's the theme of the advent calendar. This is an MBL4 face brush. So let's take its little netting off. Ta-da! Oh, it's an angled brush. So good for. Oh, it's really soft. So I'm gonna say that's for powder blush. Maybe that powder bronzer. But yeah, that's cute. Little brush. Yay. It's Christmas Eve, day 24. Tonight is the day to watch Muppet Christmas Carol so that you can join Kermit when he says, of course, tonight there's only one more sleep till Christmas Day. In that really weird way. Anyway, let's see what Mitchell has given us in this slightly tiny box. I'm guessing lips because, you know, blush balm. Oh, of course it was going to be something blushy. It's Mitchell. It's made by Mitchell. Blush balm jellyfish. Okay, so this isn't a cream blusher, obviously. Let's open her up. It is the stick kind. I haven't tried these. Let's see what colour she is. Ooh, that is pink. Okay, that's a really lovely pinky purple colour. Yes, that's something we haven't had yet. Ooh, I'm a swatch. Ooh, Lord, she bright. Yep, that's cute. It's the colour of Mitchell's skates. I mean, the colour theming has been on point in this calendar, you gotta admit. But yeah, that's really cute. Wonderful. And so we come to this, day 25 of the Made by Mitchell Advent Calendar. Merry Christmas, guys! It's Christmas Day! I hope all you lovely folk out there are celebrating, if you celebrate, be that with friends, be that with family, be that on your own and enjoying it. However you're choosing to spend today, whether you celebrate or not, have a good one. This is today's box. It's huge, nice and big. I am guessing it's going to be an eyeshadow palette. So let's open her up. We might have for the first time failed at opening on camera because this ain't moving. Hang about. I had to get a fork handle under that to open up the seam. That was real tight. So let's see. It is a curve case. A Cupid case. Which seems a little, Valentine's Day-ish. This looks like it might be cute. It's in the shade Rose Garden. And these are all the... Oh, it's a lip palette. Oh, that's actually quite interesting. Okay, let's get this out. Oh, duh, of course it's a lip palette. Cupid, as in Cupid's bow. And then look, this font is absolutely in the shape of lips. Okay, let's have a look. Oop, these are all very pretty. I think they're all mattes, yeah. But there's a good range of pinks and purples and nudes and reds. So this is not only going to be able to use like each individual colour, like I'm really excited about this one up here and this one down here, but you can mix them as well, so you can do a bit more custom colouring with that. See, this is the kind of thing. Well done, Mitchell. You have finished strong. This last week's been great, and this is especially good. I'm going to have so much fun playing with this. This was a fantastic week. Why wasn't every week as exciting and colourful and cool as this? Okay. Whistle stop tour of each of the products first. Day 20 was the blush duo. You've just watched the video, so I won't get them out, but there was the sort of peachy toned blush and the silver toned highlighter. These are cute. It's blush. Blush is the reason a lot of people started buying Made by Mitchell, so it makes sense that these were the last week. I'm really pleased they gave you two. Like, you get a lot of advent calendars where you get naff all in each door, and in this one they're giving you two blush products, which is brilliant. Yeah, I liked these. They were nice. The colour actually does really suit me, so as much as I'm gonna get it out. As much as I mocked this, the prevalence of this sort of pinky peach colour in the calendar, in this formula it does work really well for me. I'm also not usually a liquid highlight kind of person, and I do actually really like this blush highlight, so I'm looking forward to playing with that a bit more. Yeah, they're a win. Day 21, Mattitude Chrome Lipstick. This is beautiful. I've worn this near constant since we got it on day 21. It's gorgeous. It doesn't look much from the bullet, but the actual shine you get on this when you put it on the lips is fantastic. It's basically like we've gone back to the early 2000s when everything was frosted, and I am here for it. So yes, huge, absolute win. Day 22 was the Comet highlighter case. This is cute. This is an incredibly strong pink. This is a blush with a highlight. I've got it on today. I don't know if you can see because of my glasses and because I actually have toned it down quite a bit, but it is super 80s. I am here for it. These two are a lot more subtle. I've used all three of these. They're nice. They're very pretty highlights, if that makes sense. So this is, I want to stand out in a crowd. These are, I'm just making you aware that my face is here. All three, really wonderful. Another win. Day 23, angled face brush. I haven't actually used this because it's quite soft. It's not quite as soft as I thought it was when I first opened it, so I think you probably could get away with using cream products with it. But I have another brush that I really like for my blusher that I just reach for automatically, so I haven't actually ever managed to reach for this, even though it's been sat on my dressing table. So I will use it, and I'm sure it's lovely. I've got a lot of his brushes and they all are really nice. It's got a good level of bounce to it, so I think that will be great. I just haven't used it yet. I'm not sure why it's brown. I mean, why not put the purple ones in, or a pink one, or even a blue one? Brown's just, it's a weird choice. I get that it's the mountains of the calendar, but yeah, strange Christmas colour. But still a nice product, and I like that it comes with one of these little net things for travelling, even though I can't get it back in. There we go. Cute. Win. Brushes are always useful. Day 24, Christmas Eve, the blush stick. I really like this. It's a beautiful sort of purple toned pink, which is absolutely perfect for most of my makeup looks. Yeah, it is a lot more subtle than I expected it to be. You can really shear this out. And I find it looks stronger in person than it does on photographs as well. So yeah, I've worn this both very sheer just to give a bit of a flush and really built up to give actual colour. And yeah, works really nicely, blends really lovely, especially if you wet your brush a little bit before you start blending it out. That's the keys to the kingdom for using this kind of product. Yeah, another win. Oh my god. And finally, day 24, the lip case. So I've not played with this very much because I'm in two minds about the usefulness of this nowadays. It is really good. Like, if you're wanting to custom mix a colour, you can scrape these out. And if you've got little, you know, a bit of paper even, but a bit of plastic's probably better to mix them into, or a little pot, and then you can take it with you. But yeah, they're very cute. I've got it on today. They blend together really nicely for mixing. I've mixed this colour, which is in Bloom, with a little bit of this colour, which is VPR. No idea what VPR stands for. And they're really nice, very pretty. I'm looking forward to playing with this bottom line a bit more. So I will really get use out of this. The only thing that puts me off slightly is it's not very portable. And I don't know that it's particularly long lasting. So yeah, swings and roundabouts. It's good if you're just putting on makeup for a photo or a video, or if you've got a big handbag that you can take this and take your lip brush with you, or if you're in your home and you can touch up as and when. But if you're anywhere out on the go, I would say take the bullet lipstick instead. But yes, I will get a lot of use out of that. It's a really good day 25, and I'm pretty certain this must be about £50 of product based on the curve cases that he sells. So a 16 colour curve case with this size pan is 48, and there are, no sorry, 12, a 12 pan colourful one of this size is 48, and there's 15 in here. So yeah, probably about the same price, probably about the £50 mark. And the calendar was only 95, I think. Yes, I got it for 85 because I got 10% off. So yeah, for this to be basically half the price of the calendar is great. And the whole thing has been like that. The entire calendar is absolutely worth it from a monetary value, because I don't think there's anything here that was worth less than £10 per product, which when you've got 25 days is a £250 value right there, and that's before you get to things like this. So I do think the calendar's been worth it. What I'm going to do, oh sorry, that's obviously a win as well. What I am going to do is I'm going to do another video that will be my thoughts on the calendar as a whole. I'll do a whistle stop, 1 to 25, this is what you got. No opinions, just, you know, day 20 blush duo, day 21 lipstick, that kind of whip through. And then I'll actually talk about what I think the value of the calendar is, and how I've felt about opening it over the course of the month. But for now, this is just the final week, and I'll do a quick close-up of all the stuff just to show you. So this is everything from the final week. There wasn't a single meh product or something that I wouldn't be able to use this week, which is fantastic. These are great. I wish the rest of the advent calendar had been as bright and exciting, but these have definitely made it worth it. Excellent. Okay, so in a couple of days, like I say, I will do a full 25-day roundup, my thoughts. I'll add up all the estimated costs, prices of things, and we'll have a bit of a chat. See you then. Bye.